Oh, so it's true. It's true that my daughter is in this place. What are you doing here? Norma, what did I do to you? That you have used your witchcraft to bewitch my daughter, making her not to act normal again. If not, tell me what she is doing in this goat's barn. Ah! Princess, when you left the palace a few days ago, you told me you were going to see a friend. Tell me, is this God-forsaken Bacha your friend's house? What are you turning yourself into? Look at how you look. Look at you, looking like a mad woman, washing bitter leaf. I even heard that you now sell bitter leaf at the village local market. Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, I'm very okay. So because somebody told you he or she saw me at the market selling bitter leaf, that's why you both left what you were doing to come here to look for me. Okay, you've seen me. So what next? And point of correction, nobody charmed or bewitched me. Yes. I will advise you go back to the palace. I will come when I'm ready.
That's a big fat lie. You're coming with me now.
And if I refuse?
I'll drag you like a little child. In fact, I'll put you in my trunk and take you back to the palace where you belong.
Norma. What are you waiting for?
Go back.
Do it!
Norma.
Come drag me out!
Norma, have you seen what you have done? Have you seen what you have done? Look at my daughter. Looking like a wretched old hag. A princess of Aloma Kingdom. Norma, have you seen what you have done? Princess.
Mom.
Princess.
Mom, I'm not going anywhere. Go back to the palace. I'm not going anywhere. You both should go back.
How dare you? What are you saying to her?
I'm asking her to follow you.
What are you saying to her?
I said she should follow you to the palace.
You have bewitched my sister.
Don't talk to her like that. Don't you dare talk to her like that.
Are you out of your mind? Don't you understand what you're made of? What are you doing here?
I want you to get out of this place.
How dare you? Are you talking back at me?
Yes. You don't want to leave, right?
Are you out of your mind?
No, you don't want to leave. Watch me.
Princess.
Get out!
Princess!
Get out!
What are you doing?
Hey!
I want you to leave this place.
Wait, Princess, you want to use this on your twin brother?
Mama, I would do it. If you both don't leave this place right now.
You want to kill him?
I said get out!
This is your fault. This is your fault.
Relax! Don't you rest!
Majesty. Greetings. Are you saying we should summon the youth of this kingdom and tell them to prepare for the New Year festival?
Exactly, or no. I want this to be better than the previous ones we've been doing.
Your Majesty, you know this thing will cost us a whole lot of money. You know that each different cultural group goes on with a fowl, a goat, and 10 tubers of yam. Your Majesty, this is too expensive, I must say.
Oh no, I don't care how much it costs. We have to do it and do it right. For the sake of posterity.
Well, you are the Igwe. Any decision you make, it's time.
Good.
Oh no. Good afternoon.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings to you too. How you doing and your family?
Family is doing very well. How about you? How's the family?
I'm doing very well. Your Majesty, please, let me see up Guinea to the gates. I'll be back.
Okay, my queen.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. How are you? Guinea, extend my greetings to your people.
Okay, Your Majesty. I will, sir.
Go well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Oh no. Oh no. Why are you staring at her like that?
Your Majesty, this girl looks so innocent and very beautiful. She will make a good wife material for you.
Good wife material for me?
Yes.
Or you? Do you want to take her as a second wife?
Your Majesty, you know fully well I don't need a second wife. But come to think of it, Your Majesty, the Queen hasn't given you an heir to your throne. You need someone that will carry on your legacy. We need an heir to the throne.
Can you listen to yourself, Onowu? My wife's friend. That's betrayal. What do you mean by that?
Your Majesty, you are the Igwe. You have the final say. Anything you decide will stand. Think about it. The Queen hasn't produced us with an heir to the throne. It's just a suggestion. Please.
It's alright, Onowu. I will think about it. But firstly, I have to confide in my wife. That is the right thing to do.
Your Majesty, you are a man. You are the king of this great kingdom. You have the final say. You don't need your wife's suggestion to take any decision you want.
Okay, Onowu, you need to start the preparations as soon as possible. Let's focus on the matter on hand and leave this. Okay?
My king, you sent for me.
My queen, how are you?
I am fine.
Please, sit down.
And what troubles the king of Aloma Kingdom? You look unsettled.
How's your friend, Ginika?
My friend Ginika is fine. Is there any problem?
What kind of person is she?
Ginika, my friend, is a good person. Has she done anything to you?
No, not at all. I want to discuss something with you.
Okay. And what is it?
My queen, you know we've been married for 5 years now. And you've not conceived. I am not saying that you're barren. Or that something is wrong with you. But you know that we don't have much time anymore. We need children in this royal palace. We need an heir to the throne of this great kingdom. My queen, please, I want to take Ginika as my second wife. Please.
You want to take my own friend as your wife? You want Ginika as your second wife? Of all the women in this kingdom, you choose my friend?
Yes.
Why?
Ginika is your friend and she respects you a lot. You still remain the queen of this kingdom. The first at that. But my queen, please. We need children.
And how are you sure if you take Ginika as your second wife, she'll be able to give you a child? Do you even know anything about her reproductive system?
Some time ago, you told me about her boyfriend that got her pregnant and ran away. At least it shows that she's fertile. My queen, I know this is hard for you, but please, we need to do this. You can see I'm not getting younger anymore. Please.
I will think about it.
Thank you. Just take your time and think about it and get back to me. My queen, you said you wanted to tell me something. What is it?
I have slept over your request. I'll talk to my friend Ginika. But you know it won't be easy. But I'll try to use a convincing word on her.
That means you've granted my request?
Not really. Let's just invite her over and let's see how it goes from there.
Thank you so much, my queen.
You're welcome.
I'm proud of you.
Ginika, my friend, please accept my request. Be my husband's second wife so that you can give the Igwe a child.
Norma. Wait. Do you realize what you're asking me to do? I should become a second wife to your husband. Iduko, okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm very okay.
What if I marry your husband, at the end of the day, I don't conceive?
Impossible. Have you forgotten what happened between you and your boyfriend when you got pregnant and aborted the pregnancy?
No, are you trying to remind me of my past? Are you trying to remind me of that ugly incident?
Sorry.
What's that?
I don't mean to. Please forgive me. Sorry. Please. I'm really, really sorry. Just do this for me. Please.
It's okay, I've heard you. I'll think about it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This one, you're this happy. I've not promised you anything, no. I did not promise you anything.
At least you accept to think about it. It's enough for me for now. Thank you.
It's okay.
My friend. Sorry I kept you waiting. I was busy inside.
It's okay.
So how are you doing?
I'm good. And
okay.
you?
I'm fine. Do you need anything?
No, I don't need anything. That's not why I'm here.
So why are you here?
Well, I'm here to tell you that you and your husband has won.
Me and my husband have won. Won what? Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you've accepted our request?
Yes, if that will make you happy.
It will make me happy! Like, I'm super happy! Let me call my husband. Your Majesty! Come.
What is it, my queen?
Come, I have good news for you. Sit down.
My queen, what is it that makes you this happy?
Your Majesty, Guinea here, my friend, has accepted to be your wife.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, no.
Guinea, is that true?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come. You're welcome.
Thank you, Majesty. Thank you.
Have a seat, okay? You can sit down.
Thank you.
My queen, you did a very great job.
You're welcome, my king. Welcome.
You're welcome, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'm happy to be your wife.
I'm so happy that you are now part of this family. You are now the second queen of this great kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm so proud of you.
You're welcome.
Guards! This call for a big celebration.
No need for the guards. Let me go call them for you.
Thank you.
Iche. Good day, Iche.
Well done, our queen. It seems you're traveling.
No, I just want to get something at the store. Down there.
That's good. Our queen, I wanted to come and see you. Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
For now, there is no problem. But for tomorrow, there will be a very big problem if you don't listen to me.
You're confusing me. Is there something you want to say?
Our queen, you see that log of food you want to bring inside your house? If you don't take it away, it will be used to burn you. That woman you're about to bring into your matrimonial home, she will ruin your life. That your friend.
Iche, how did you know about all this?
I heard it from the Ono. He was telling one of the elders that he was even the one that suggested it to the king. So you see, there's a very big problem. So what then?
Well, thank you so much, Iche.
You're welcome, our queen.
But Ginika, my friend, is not a bad person. Like you know, the Igwe needs a child. And since I can't give him a child, it's better off Ginika comes as a second wife. If I don't allow her come, the villager will see me as an evil woman. So it's better off she comes. And Ginika will never hurt me. Besides, I have done her no wrong. Thank you for the advice, but I think I need to leave.
Hey, my queen. Open Apanti. Nti si na manu ebelisi nti yeso kwe. Nti si na manu ebelisi nti yeso kwe. Ekukwa. Okezi ekukwa kosi. Your Highness, please don't be offended if I ask you this question. So the reason you called us here is because you want us to go and marry that woman, Geneka, as your second wife. And you want us to go and meet our people and pay the marriage and do the marriage right.
Ichioke, you heard me loud and clear. And the big day is the next Afo market day. So you need to start getting ready.
Okay. I want to ask another question. Please don't be offended if I'm asking too many questions because I don't understand it.
Why do you need a second wife? And if I may ask, what is wrong with our queen, the Lolo of this kingdom? What happened to her?
Ichokozie, why are you asking the Igwe stupid questions? Questions that are not even necessary.
Oh no, I will appreciate it if you shut up your mouth. I wasn't talking to you. Are you the Igwe? Are you the Igwe? Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know you're the one that has been planning all these things? Now you all see everyone see. Think I don't know you're the one doing it? Let me ask you, because you forgot something. This woman you want the king to marry as a second wife, if she comes in here and something goes wrong, what will you do? Nothing. You don't even think about tomorrow. She is the best friend of our queen, and you want us to come in here as a second wife. How is that possible? Don't get me angry. Your Highness, please don't be offended. I asked you a question and you've not answered me. Please, I want my answers.
Iche I have a question for you. Are you aware that I'm the Igwe of this kingdom?
Of course, I'm aware.
And I have the right to marry as many wives as I want.
Yes, I know you have the right. I'm aware of that. Even if you want to marry, it has to be with good reasons. Reasons, but if you say yes, our Igwe is right. These are the reasons he's marrying.
What is your business on this matter? Why do you keep questioning the Igwe? Is all these your questions necessary?
Oh no, it seems you're stupid. Me, you're very senseless. Okay, if you get me angry again here, I will beat you black and blue. I will make sure that I disgrace you here now. Respect yourself. I don't want to. I'm not talking to you.
You're saying I'm stupid?
But I'm very, very stupid. Senseless.
Enough! Okay, Zie.
Obidiegu.
Okay, Zie.
Obidiegu, I can hear you now answered.
One more word from you again, and I will instruct the guys to throw you out of this palace.
You cannot do it, and the guards cannot even try it. Obidiegu, we are the one running the affairs of this kingdom, so you cannot throw me out.
Okay, Zie, are you challenging me?
I just told you the truth and you know about it. You know it.
Oh no. You need to start the preparation as soon as possible. And I've made my decisions, and that's final.
Well, I can see that you all have planned these things all along. But let me make it clear. I am not part of this journey. I can never be, because I'm afraid of tomorrow. I can see the future. Very scary. And people are shouting, claiming you want to go. My hand is not there. I'm not part of it. The truth remains that I cannot be a part of these people that are planning ill treatment to this queen of this kingdom. Just 5 years into the marriage, and everybody shouting, crying, because she has not gotten a child. Or if we were to be you, if we were to be your house, oh no, will you stand it? I am not part of it.
Please carry your retired cloth and get up from here. What is wrong with this man?
Oh no, I don't blame him. I blame you for bringing this man to this palace. I warned you about this man, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Your Majesty, please calm down. Please, just calm down. I don't know that this man is so stupid.
No! Oh no. You knew how arrogant.
Feel at home, okay?
You're welcome, Monica. Thank you, Mama.
I know you are happy that I'm married to your friend.
I'm very happy.
This calls for a big celebration.
Of course, of course.
Soon, we will tell the elders and the villagers So we will celebrate this big moment together.
Yes, because we are +1.
Yes. Cheers.
Welcome to my family.
Oh no, I'm so proud of you. You did a very great job.
Thank you for accepting me. Thank you for bringing me into this family. No.
My beautiful wife.
Thank you, Majesty.
I'm a fulfilled man now.
Igwe, I will inform the elders and the village council. We are throwing a very big party afterwards.
Yes. Oh no!
There is something confusing me here. You've been complaining of the fact that since you got married, you've not been able to conceive.
Yes, doctor.
How can that happen? You can't conceive. Because you don't even have a womb. So tell me what happened.
Doctor, a few years ago, I got pregnant for my ex-boyfriend. He denied the pregnancy and ran away. So out of frustration, I had an abortion. But there is a problem here. The doctor that did the abortion on me made a small mistake that affected my womb.
Can you just listen to yourself talk? You knew all along you won't be able to get pregnant? And yet you went ahead to get married? How do you even explain this to your husband? After so many years he expects you to take him. And then suddenly, the pregnancy is not forthcoming. What are you going to tell him?
I don't know, doctor. But I think there is something you can do. But I have my plans.
Plans?
Yes.
What plans are you talking about here? Because you and I know there are no solutions to the present issue.
I know, like I said before, I would do something.
Hey! Your Majesty! Yes, sir.
What is going on?
I'm very happy.
Why are you this
Hi, baby, just wait. I can't put your mama. Iye chukukuru na buya game o. Onye puri bochi yawa karaka mo. I can't put your mama. I can't put your mama. Onye puri bochi yawa karaka mo. I can't put your mama.
Please, come on.
Okay.
So tell me, what is the good news?
The gods have done it for us. I am so happy. Like, I don't even know how to start. I feel like a fulfilled woman. Like, what we have been asking God for, God just gave me.
Oh my God, please. What is happening?
Your Majesty, I don't even know how to spill this good news to you. I don't even know where to start. Even me, I'm shocked. Okay, you remember yesterday? I was feeling some kind of way. So I decided to go to the family doctor to do some checkups. And he was like, okay, let's still try pregnancy test. And the result of the pregnancy test came out. Hey! And... Oh God! And the doctor confirmed that I am 8 weeks pregnant!
Are you serious, my queen? Hey! The gods of our land!
Yes, so...
The gods of our land, thank you for wiping the tears in our eyes.
I'm very happy.
Oh my God. My queen, thank you so much. I'm so happy. So finally I'll become a father.
Yes, so...
Come. Come, have a seat. I'm so proud of you.
I'm equally proud of you.
Hey, gods of our land.
Hey, hey. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, Your Majesty.
What is going on?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Did you win a lottery?
Your Majesty, it has happened.
Why are you so happy?
Oh, Subirilo Abago. It has entered, it has happened.
What is it? Did you win a lottery?
Lottery, I want something that is bigger than lottery. Yes, so. Hey, Your Majesty, Abago Subirila.
Okay, talk to me. What is it?
Your Majesty, you have played the ball and I, the goalkeeper, has catched the ball. Oh, Subirila!
Okay.
Abago.
I don't understand what you're saying. Please explain in a layman's word so I can
Your
understand.
Majesty, I am pregnant.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
My queen,
Admin.
you are pregnant.
Abago, I am loaded.
Please come on.
I am loaded.
Come and sit.
I am well loaded.
Are you serious?
Hey!
My queen!
Your Majesty, oh Subirigo.
Please come, oh.
Oh Subirina,
You
oh.
mean you are pregnant?
Your Majesty, I am 9 weeks gone. Hey, yes,
Please.
so.
Please tell her what you just told me.
Oh Subirila, oh Bago. My queen. No man. He has done it again. Oh, Your Majesty has done it again. And what has he done? I am pregnant. Yes, so oh Bango. Oh Subirila.
Are you serious?
I am well loaded.
Wow. Congrats.
Yes, so I am 9 weeks gone.
Wow.
Your Majesty.
This is a double blessing for us.
Of course, this is a double blessing, a very big one.
A double blessing indeed.
Yes, so.
Gods of our land, I am so grateful.
Yes, so.
Hey! What have I done to deserve this? Stand up, okay?
Hey!
Yes, come.
Your Majesty. Zinkem.
Hey! I'm so happy.
Yes, so.
Today is the happiest day of my life.
Congrats. Yes, so. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Are you okay? Why is your mood like this?
You sit down. Why are you depriving me of my conjugal right as your husband since you got pregnant?
Your Majesty, the doctor asked me not to have sex for now because I'm having ectopic pregnancy. It's still after birth I'll start having sex.
So you mean the doctor advised you not to have sex with your husband?
Yes. You can confirm from the doctor, you can send for him and confirm what I'm saying.
You know, being pregnant is not a yardstick for you to abstain from sex.
You have to confirm from him. It's not me. It's for the sake of our baby. If you have sex with me now, we'll lose the baby. And you know you wouldn't want that. You have to wait till I put to bed.
It's okay, I've heard you. I'll send for the doctor immediately.
Okay. Doctor, in few months' time, the Igwe, our husband, will be expecting our babies. You and I know that I have nothing to offer. I cannot get pregnant. Doctor, I want to go home with my own baby. As she too will be going home with her own baby. I'll pay you the amount we agreed on.
So where's going to be our meeting, sir?
Till then, I will send you the location.
When am I expected to get my first payment of the deal?
I will send you 3 million naira now. When you're done with the job, I will send you the remaining balance. Hey.
My beautiful wives.
Hey.
I can see you guys are having a good time.
Your Majesty. Yes, yeah, Lachakwa.
No, I'm fine. I'll be traveling to Abuja first thing tomorrow morning. The minister called me concerning the contract that I've been pursuing. So I have to leave to Abuja tomorrow morning so I can do the paperwork.
Oh wow, that's a good news. So when are you coming back?
As soon as I'm done with the paperwork, I'll be back because I have some things to do here too.
No problem, it's a good one. Thank you. Hey.
And how is my baby doing?
Your Majesty, baby is doing good though.
And how is my handsome prince?
Princess.
Prince, okay?
Okay.
My wives, please do avoid strangers' job. I don't want you stressing yourself.
Okay, Your
Alright,
Majesty.
enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Take care of yourself, Your Majesty.
I want you to carefully listen to the instructions I'm about to give to you right now. And you have to follow them carefully. I don't want any mistakes from you. No traces. Have I made myself clear?
Okay, doctor.
It's all about the woman that just gave birth to a set of twins. I have given her a midazolam injection already. I want your eyes on that woman. When she's about to wake up, you give her another dose. I want her to sleep for straight 2 days. So that could possibly enable us to deliver the babies to our customer. Alright? I don't want traces, like I said. Don't mess this deal up. I am still talking. Do not mess this deal up for me.
Okay, doctor. But doctor, what if that woman noticed that those babies are her co-wife's children? Do you think she will accept them?
Oh, come on. Who is going to tell her? You or me? There is nothing we can do about it, and there is no way she's going to know about it. If you don't let the cat out of the basket, there is no way she's going to know. She is the only woman who has just given birth in this hospital. The other women due for birth are to come in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So you see how clean this deal is.
Okay, doctor. That was a very nice idea.
Good. Now I want you to return back to your place of work. When I need you, I'll call you.
Okay.
Good. Yes. Yes, ma'am, I think my job here is done. I have delivered the babies. So when am I expected to get my balance?
You'll be getting your balance before the end of today.
Doctor, I heard the mother of these twins. She's not aware of where you're taking the babies to.
Oh, come on. She's absolutely not aware. You are a professional and then you can always count on me. I'm only doing my job. As for the woman, even as we speak right now, she's still very much asleep because of the injection I gave to her. You understand? She doesn't even know what this baby looks like and she has not even seen them.
I have a problem. And the problem is that I don't know how to take care of babies. That is where I'm having issues right now.
Talking about taking care of these babies, the nurse here will be coming around to take care of the babies for you for some days before you go back. And let me further interest you in this. This is going to be a different deal in time. This is not supposed to be her job, you know this.
Okay, doctor, I hope this job is very neat.
I told you can always count. No
No one
traces.
saw you.
No traces.
No
No
traces.
traces. And as for the nurse, your job starts now.
Okay, doctor.
I'll
No
see you.
problem. Thank you very
All
much.
right.
I really appreciate it.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
I can understand how you feel. I'm sensitive to your plight, Ryder. There are no words for the loss of one's child. You have been discharged. You are free to go back home now.
Doctor, how do I go home? How do I tell my husband that the child I carried for 9 months died? Doctor, I don't think I can go home. You did not even allow me to see my child. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I did not even get the chance to see my child's face.
It's alright, my queen.
I can't go home.
I need you to pull yourself together, please. Everything is gonna be alright.
Wanyoma, it's okay. I will be fine, okay? The one that we stay, we come. We take out. God cannot do does not exist. It's okay now.
It's alright. Everything is going to be alright.
Why is my own case different? Why have God chosen to punish me this way? A 9 months journey just wasted just like that. Look at you. The gods blessed you with a boy and a girl twins. On me, just one. And they took the child away from me. I think I must have done something wrong to deserve such pain.
No, don't say that. You have not done anything wrong. Stop crying, please. Don't worry, another one will come. Okay? Just put yourself together. Stop crying.
What do I tell my husband? The day I was going to the hospital, I told him and he was very, very happy to come and see his child. He promised to come back on time. And now look at me. I'm not with a child.
But my child is your child. It's just that I am their biological mother. It's okay, please. Stop crying. They are also your child. Your Majesty. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
How was your trip?
It was good.
Come.
My queen. Why are you crying? Are you not happy to see me?
Your Majesty, you just came back. You need to rest. You need to go in and rest. Don't worry, we'll tell you everything that happened.
Where are my babies?
Oh, your babies. Your babies are fine. They are outside. They are doing well. Your Majesty, you just came back. You need to rest. You know you're just coming back from a far journey. Go in so that you can rest.
I could not see the face of my baby. Because I was in coma for 2 days. And the doctor buried my own child. What have I done? The pain is too much. Oh God.
My queen. Please, stop crying. I know for sure that the gods of our land is not sleeping. The gods that gave you the first will give you again.
Please.
Please. The most important thing now is that you are alive. Please, my queen. My queen. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving us the heir to this great kingdom. I am so proud of you.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
It's okay. Please. Please.
It's okay.
It's okay. Please.
Your Majesty, this thing that is happening in this palace is getting out of hands. This that is happening between Norma and the palace guard is getting too much. And you have to put a stop to it before the gods of this land get angry with this royal family. What is that?
My queen, what is it that is happening that I don't know? Can you tell me, please?
Your Majesty, it's Queen Norma and the palace guard. Oh, you're not aware? You are not aware that they have been dating?
What do you mean by dating? I don't understand.
Meaning they have been sleeping with each other. Queen Norma and the palace guard has been sleeping with each other.
Will you shut up your mouth? What is wrong with you? How can you lay such accusation on your co-wife, the first queen of this great kingdom? You better be mindful of what you say. Okay?
Your Majesty, are you doubting me?
Eh? So you're doubting me, Your Majesty? As I speak to you right now, the palace guard is inside Queen Mama's room for over 30 minutes. What is he doing there? Eh? And this is not the first, this is not the second, this is not the third, not the fourth that he has been spending such time in Queen Mama's room. Your Majesty, if you don't put an end to this madness, if you don't put an end to this abomination, I will pack my things and leave this palace with my children before the gods of the land get angry with this royal family. I cannot stand this any longer. What is all this?
You mean this is happening in my palace?
It has been happening for a very long time.
Take me there. Let's go.
This has to stop.
Yeah, just leave those places. I've searched those places. Just check under the bed.
My queen, are you sure that it fell
It's
under the
under because I've searched other places. Just, okay, remove your clothes so you don't stain it. Remove your clothes and search. Okay. Oh, my husband, you're here.
What is going on here?
Check now. Bring out the bead. Bring out the bead for me.
So it is true, Norma.
Oh, what is true? I don't understand.
So you are sleeping with my guard in my own palace?
It's not possible.
Oh, shut up your mouth!
Why will I be sleeping with your guard? Is my bead gone now?
Oh, shut up! Shut that thing you call a mouth up, you pretender.
How?
What's how? You have been sleeping with him for a very long time and this has been going on since. Do you want to deny it?
Sleeping with who?
How? Okay, why is he naked? Why is he naked in your room?
I removed the clothes.
It's not dating the clothes because of my bead. It's my husband. It's my bead. Go now. Go
where? Will you shut up?
My husband. Guinea just slapped me.
No. And I will do it again.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Do it again to clear your stupid eyes.
You're sleeping with my guard in my own house.
No, I can't do that.
This is an abomination. Just shut up your mouth.
Just my bead. It's just...
You need to leave this palace. And as for you, you crossed your boundaries.
It's not what you think.
You crossed your boundaries.
It's not what you think.
Deal with him.
Majesty, sending Queen Norma out of this palace is the best decision you have made. I'm fully right behind you.
Oh no, you know me too well. I'm a man of integrity and I have my principles.
Of course.
She can go outside and continue her affair with the guards, but not under my nose in this palace.
Yes. You are right.
Obidiegu, why? Why must it be you? Why must it be you, Obidiegu? As long as Obidiegu, you make your Obidiegu. Why? Just imagine outside everywhere, people shouting. This person on her side, this person on another on her side. Why? Did you question? Did you ask? Did you verify to know if it's the truth? The queen in question, did you ask her? No. You just threw her out. Just like ain't nobody commoner. And up one here.
Okay, Zee. Are you aware of what she did?
What did she do? What did she do? What did she do, Obidiegu?
She slept with my guard
in this palace. And you're here defending her. Hey! Hey! Did you verify? Did you ask her? Did you call her and say, my wife, my queen, what happened? Why will you do such a thing? And she said, yes. Then you called the guard in question and say, yo, hey, did you do this? And say, yes. That is when you say, I banish you.
Come, young man. Who made you a spokesman? Does this palace look like a royal courthouse? What is your problem?
Their honor. When I came in here, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Obidiegu. I don't know why you're opening your mouth and talking. Shut up your mouth now. Because you were here when our queen was disgraced out. You were here. She was molested, insulted. Even the guards, everybody, they were all shouting. The people carrying her, talking all rubbish outside there. You allowed it and you sat here like a papu. Did nothing. You supported the king. Instead of you to talk as an unknown, to tell him the right thing to do, but you confused him, not even convinced. You confused him to chase her away. Now you're happy.
Okay, Zee. I have made my decision. And that is final.
Yes!
Okay, let me make it in a little right way. Let me put it this way. Your Highness, that your decision is not right. Why is it not right? Because you did not verify. You did not get the right thing. The right answers, it was not there. The person you chased away, she is innocent. If I will suggest, if I can put my life, because I know that somebody is there. It's not fair.
She committed an abomination.
Which abomination? Were you there?
What is this man saying?
Were you there? Did you put life for them to make sure? Why are you saying this thing? Oh no. I don't like this. Oh no. It seems he's the one that has been pushing you.
My friend, shut up your mouth there!
Is he the one ruling this kingdom or you are the one ruling it? Why are you behaving like this? How can you do such a thing?
Enough of this, Okezie.
Well, I blame Her Royal Majesty. I warned her that the log of food you're bringing to the palace will be used to roast you. Now, what happened? She was roasted and disgraced out of the palace by her wicked friend. But don't worry, very soon the truth shall set us free. She'll be exposed.
Shut up your mouth and leave this palace. Who invited you here? Leave here!
Me, madman, you are the one that is very mad because you cannot gather your senses to tell the king the truth. Yes, now if you will have gathered your sense to tell the king the truth, he will know that what he did is wrong.
Enough, Okezie! You dare not challenge my decision.
Enough! I am not challenging you, your majesty.
If you don't leave the palace now, I will send the guards to throw you out.
You've heard your majesty. Leave the palace now!
Who invited you here?
Okay, no problem. The gods have heard me. I've spoken.
Which
like
gods?
I used to say. We shall see. We shall see. Hey!
Your Majesty, please don't answer me. He's a madman. Please just... Your Majesty.
Yes, madam. What can I do for you?
My son, please, I want to see the Igwe.
Please, ma, how many times have I told you that the king, the Igwe, doesn't want to see you in the palace? You are putting me trouble in my job. Do you want to sack me?
No, it's not intentional.
Okay.
Please, it's important I see the Igwe. My son, please allow me to see him, even for a short time.
Okay, just wait. Let me inform him. If he allows you in, dear, who am I to say no?
Please talk to him kindly.
Okay, just wait. I'm coming.
Oh.
Who is at that gate? What's going on there?
Uwako is there. He will do his job.
Maybe I should go and see what is happening there because it's taking time.
Come on, relax. It is Uwako's job to do that. He will take care of it.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. That woman is at the gate.
Which woman?
Madam Nama. She says she wants to see you.
Didn't you tell her that I said she should not come to this palace again?
I did, Your Majesty.
What nonsense. Maybe I should go there and tell her myself. Eh? Is she there for something?
You don't have to.
Let me go.
You don't have to. Calm down. She doesn't deserve it. Now go back there. Go and tell her she should not be seen within this premises again.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And it's her last warning.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go tell her.
And you be very careful, because if you don't take time, you will lose your job here.
Yes, ma'am.
Come and be quick about it. What nonsense. Let me go and deal with that woman.
She's not important.
Please, ma'am. The Igwe said I should not let you in.
Igwe said that to me?
Yes, ma'am.
That I'm not allowed to come in?
Please, ma'am. Are you deaf? The Igwe said you are not allowed to come into this palace, that you are forbidden. You're not to be seen 10 miles close to this gate. Yes, ma'am.
I think it's high time I sorted out this whole problem with Igwe today.
Please, ma'am.
What is this?
Please, ma'am, don't put me in trouble. Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please. Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
What are you doing in my compound?
Still me.
Wakwe, did I not warn you not to allow this woman into my palace?
I tried stopping her, but she refused.
Guess what? How can you be overpowered by this old woman, Uwakwe, and you claim to be the chief security officer of this palace?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Is this how you will behave when something dangerous comes to this place? Ha! Uwakwe, I'm so disappointed in you.
I'm sorry, my queen.
Sorry, my foot.
If you want to keep your job, take this woman out of this palace.
Simple. Take her out of this place!
You have heard the ego. I don't want to lose my job. Please come and start going.
If you touch me, you won't be able to do it. Are you? Do you know who I am? Do you know me? Do you know the relationship I have with this family? Touch me. Obidieko, why are you doing this to me? Have you forgotten how we started? The me you know. Am I capable of doing this thing you people are talking about? I have tried every possible way to make sure I clear myself. Prove to you that I'm innocent of this allegation you and Ginika are leveling against me. Mba, do not mention my name. You know what you did. So you have to pay the price for the crime you committed. Oh. Best friends indeed. I brought you into this palace because you are my best friend. I brought you to become the Igwe's second wife because of my predicament. I brought you in here because of your own good, so that I'll be able to give Igwe a child. I thought we would have cohabited as best friends, and at least we will be able to understand ourselves. But you decided to pay me back with evil. You can do whatever thing you want to do. All I know is that God is watching you. God is watching everyone here, including the Igwe. Go and look at the sham, the pit hole where I am living. But here you are, living in a mansion I joined my husband to build. Here you are enjoying my life, the life I should have been living. You are the one enjoying it. You're happy you have succeeded. But Ginika, I can assure you, God is watching you and God is going to pay you in 1,000,000-fold. Because God says, I am a rewarder of those that diligently seek me. You will pay.
Enough of this emotional blackmail. It is too late when the head is struck off.
What's going on here?
Now leave this palace right now. Take highway.
What's going on here?
Ask her. Ask this witch. Your father already told her to leave this place. I don't know what she's still doing here.
Who invited her? How did you get in here? Young man, how did you let her in?
I tried to stop her, but she refused.
You tried to stop her, but she refused. Really? Did you say that to me? Now take her out. Throw her out of the palace.
Madam, move. Madam, move.
And God is going to judge you.
My friend, shut up. Get out.
Please, madam.
Amosu.
Come on, sit down, Mama.
Amosu nefegari nefi.
Mom, are you okay?
My darling, I'm fine. She wanted to ruin my day, but thank God you're here. She cannot. She's too small.
Abonye kange besana lweme Ijuwa Abonye kange besana lweme Ijuwa myself. I am the one that fetched this infected firewood. Ogomere bolama. Hope your mama.
My princess. You're welcome, my princess. What's going on? Come here.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Is everything all right? Why are you both absent-minded? That you didn't even notice my presence?
We're fine, my princess. Nothing is wrong with us. Yes, we're fine, princess.
No, you can't tell me you're fine. Because I know you two very well. This is unlike you. Or did my mother starve you?
No, my princess, we've eaten.
So what then is the problem? What? Talk to me. You can talk to me.
Princess, we are fine.
No, you're not fine. There is a problem. I mean, I can see it on your faces. Can you tell me what is going on? What happened in this palace? Huh?
Oh, okay, my princess, I will talk. My princess, do you know that woman that used to come here sometimes? Do you know her?
Which woman are you talking about?
It's Mommy Norma, my princess. Yes, Mommy Norma.
Oh, father's first wife?
Yes, my princess. Yes, my princess.
So what happened? Did anything happen to her?
My princess, she was here today. You need to see what the king and the queen did to her. They humiliated her. Even the prince ordered the guards to throw her out. They treated her like a common criminal. And I felt pity for her because the woman was crying like a baby.
What? Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, my princess. Even Amaka did not even say it very well, exactly the way it happened. You needed to see what happened here today. But anyways, it was in your absence. So a lot happened. A lot really happened. But my princess, please, promise us you're not going to tell anyone, please. Promise us you won't let them know we're the ones that told you. Please, my princess.
Don't worry. I won't tell anyone. Thank you.
Hey! She's over.
My queen, I want to go upstairs to rest.
Okay.
Should any of my cabinet members come knocking, let them know I can't be available today.
It's alright. I will soon join you.
Mother, is it true that Mommy Norma came to this palace? And you people humiliated her and asked the guards to throw her out like a common criminal. Is that true?
Look at this girl. Is it me and your father that you are talking to in that manner?
Mother, that has not answered my question. I asked, did you tell the guards to throw Mommy Unoma out of this compound like a thief?
Okay. What if we did? What business of yours is it? How does that concern you?
Oh my God. Mother! Father, what has that innocent woman done to you? Why can't you forgive her and bring her back into this palace? Why?
Woman, listen to me. The sooner you realize that that woman does not belong here, the better for you. Better for you also. If you stop speaking on her behalf, I'm tired of going upstairs to have to rest.
So now you want to rest? No, now you want to rest. It's alright, you can go upstairs and rest. But I assure you that everybody is going to regret what you're doing to that innocent woman. Everyone is going to regret it. And you, mother, what kind of a woman are you? I remember when you told me some time ago that Mommy Unoma was your best friend. That she brought you into this palace for father to get married to. So why are you paying her back with evil? Why? To the extent of asking the guards to throw her out like a thief? What has she done to you?
Point of correction. It was your brother, the prince, that asked the guards to throw her out. Not I or your father.
And you and father allowed it. No, you allowed the prince, a boy of yesterday, to give orders in this palace simply because you want to use him to achieve your aim. Can you imagine that? Now you listen to me. You and father should bring that woman back into this palace to reclaim her position as father's first wife and the first queen of Aloma Kingdom. Failure to do that? I will surprise you people. I will surprise you people in this palace. And as for my twin brother, that boy, let me reserve my comments. By the way, where is he? Nebeka!
Princess! Why is she talking to everybody like that because of Noma? Eh? Wait. Is she on her expert? Hey! But Noma has bewitched my daughter. Hey!
Why did you barge into my room without knocking? What if I was naked?
And who cares if you're naked? Who cares? Because that thing in between your legs that make you think you're a man is useless. Because you don't reason like a man.
What have I done? Why are you insulting me?
Why won't I insult you? Why won't I? Because if you look at yourself very well, you will know that I am not far from the truth. Now let me ask you. That woman, Mommy Unoma, that came to the palace, why did you ask the guards to chase her out like a common criminal? Are you aware who she is?
Well, according to the information I have, I was told she was married to our father, but they are no longer together, so I asked her to leave the palace.
Who says so? Now, first of all, I need you to remove that was, because she's still father's first wife.
No. I disagree with you, because father told me categorically that she is no longer his wife, and there's nothing, absolutely nothing, would make her come into this palace. Don't you understand?
And you believe them? No, you believe them. Have you ever for one day tried to find out the problem father had with Mommy Unoma that had her sent out of this palace?
Well, I don't think that's my business. How does that concern me?
Oh, it's not your business.
No, it's not.
You see why I say you're useless? You don't have sense of reasoning. You don't. Now tell me, what if father reconciles with her tomorrow? How do you expect her to see you? With all the terrible things you've done to her?
Well, I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a shit.
You don't. Look, if not that you're my twin brother, I would have disowned you. Yes.
Really?
But let me warn you. Don't you ever try what you did with Mommy Norma today. Else
what?
I will keep blood aside and you will not expect what I will do to you.
It's crazy. Wait, are you threatening me? Is that what you're doing? Did you forget yourself?
I'm not threatening you. I'm only telling you what I would do. You see that woman? Don't joke with her. Else, you will hate me. Rubbish.
Wait, are you drunk? Did you forget yourself?
My queen. My queen, please, I'm so sorry. I came immediately, I heard what happened. I'm so sorry. Oh, God. I promise you it will never happen again. Okay? I already told them never to try such rubbish. Please. It's okay, don't cry. It's alright. It's okay. I'm so sorry. You know what? I promise you, one day, you will return to the palace and take your position. Okay? I promise you that.
No, my child, not in this life. Of what use do I have in that palace? I do not have a child of my own. Your mother has taken over the position of a queen in her normal kingdom. She has already given your father a son who is likely to take over from him when he must have joined his ancestors. And you as the princess of our normal kingdom, can you not see it? I am empty and useless. I have no use.
No. You are not useless. And you are not empty. You're not. I'm always here for you. Okay?
No. You can't always be here for me. I am not your mother. You're not my child. And you cannot always come here to see me as often as you wish. Because you can be monitored. And you know what that means. Another thing, please stop calling me the queen. Your mother has already taken over that position as the queen of Aloma Kingdom. I've lost in every way possible.
No. You're still the queen. As long as you're married to my father, you are the queen. The first queen. Look, my queen, don't cry. Okay? Everything will be alright. You will come back to the palace and take your position as the first queen of Aloma Kingdom. Nobody can take that away from you. Okay?
Thank you.
It's alright.
I don't know what I would have done without you. You're always my consolation.
You're welcome. My concern is to make sure you're always happy. Okay?
Thank you.
It's alright. It's alright.
Princess Duben, I heard everything you said. That shows that you are a wise girl. You are a wise girl. Do you know that at times I used to ask myself, why did your mother give birth to a good girl like you? Because she doesn't deserve you. Eh? How I wish you were Norman's daughter. Because both of you are matched together. Eh?
Thank you.
It's okay. I heard what you said. But Norma caused this whole thing. She was the cause of the whole thing. Because I warned her when this thing was about to start. But she wouldn't listen because of her good heart. Eh? Now, you have seen it. But there's no problem. I've heard you.
Nine. Now is not the time to apportion blames on anybody. What has happened has happened. We should look for a way to solve this matter. We should focus on correcting some of these mistakes. Biko.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've heard you. I will come to the palace and talk with your father. Only if he will listen to me. Because you know your father. He is a very stubborn human being. Very, very, very stubborn. But that will not stop me from coming to the palace to talk with him, like I said. Okay. I will come. There's no problem.
Thank you so much. Thank you for welcoming me in your house. I appreciate. And this assurance you gave me just made me feel like this matter is as good as solved. Thank you.
I will solve it.
Thank you.
It will be solved.
Nine, this is not much, but use it and buy cola, oh?
No, my daughter. No. It has not come to this. You are still a student. Eh? When you are done with your schooling and start working maybe as a bank manager or even working in oil company, I can then ask you for money. Eh? Just add it to your pocket money. Oh?
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. I have to be on my way now.
It's alright. I will come and see your father like I said.
Please do.
Bye-bye. Norma, I heard all that I said. Like I told you earlier, the princess was in my house yesterday. And she told me exactly the same thing you just said now. Well, I'm on my way to the palace to have a word with Igwe. But Norma, you caused it. You caused this whole thing because I warned you earlier when nothing has happened. But you refuse to listen to me. Now look at where the whole thing has landed you. Look at where it has landed you. You caused it.
Iche, if you ask me, I would suggest we let this matter rest. Let us forget about it. In this life now, nothing gives me joy. I'm just here waiting for the time my God will call me home. What am I dragging for? What should I be worrying my head about? Is it property? What will I do with them? Is it children? God denied me children. I don't have any. So why will I be worrying my head about the things of this world when I know I cannot even lay my hands on any of them?
See, Norma, the reason I want to pursue this matter is because I want to know the truth and nothing but the truth. Even if the Igwe will not take you back as his wife or his first wife, at least let the truth be told. I want you to be vindicated. Eh? I want to know the truth. Can I tell you something?
What is it?
There is this word that says, he who laughs last, laughs best. Norma, my spirit is telling me that you will be happy at last.
That will be my next word. In this world, that chapter is closed. It's the only thing I want now is for the truth to come out so that I can be vindicated. I want the Igwe and the entire kingdom to know the truth about the allegation Guinea leveled against me in the palace. Even that's the only thing God does for me. I'll be very happy. Even if I die tomorrow, I will die a happy woman. I will die fulfilled.
It's okay. I've heard you. Like I said, I'm on my way to see the Igwe and have a word with him.
Thank you.
I have to be on my way. I will see you later. Hmm?
Okay.
I made an offer of drink to you. You haven't touched it.
Your Majesty, I am not in the mood to take anything. I am here to discuss a very important issue with you.
If you say so, it's okay. Let me hear you.
Can you do me a favor?
You have it.
Okay. Please, can your wife excuse us for some minutes? What I want to discuss with you is a man-to-man talk.
Ichiokezie, that I, Lolo Gineka, should leave you in my own sitting room, in my house, to discuss with my husband. I should leave you alone. Something is wrong with you.
I'll handle it. Ichiokezie, as long as what you want to talk about concerns the affairs of this kingdom, she is the queen of Aloma kingdom. It is her right to know what goes on in this kingdom.
Your Majesty, you know me very well. I hate insult. And I am not ready to take it from anybody, not even you, Igwe. I have not said anything. And your wife here started running her mouth. Please, if she's going to be here, warn her to behave herself. Because I will not take it.
Ichiokezie, watch your mouth. The woman you're referring to is my wife. The queen of this kingdom. She goes nowhere. Say what you have to say.
Okay, no problem. I will talk. I will talk. Your Majesty, I want to ask you a question. What is Queen Norma still doing outside in that ghetto house we abandoned her for years now? What is she still doing there? Some time ago, she came to this palace. You and this your so-called wife treated her so bad. And your so-called son, that your stupid so-called son, Prince Nemeka, Ochaka Omaka, asked those useless guys out there to throw her out of this palace like a common criminal. Why? Don't you know that she's someone's daughter?
Ichiokezie, what sort of stupid question is that? Eh? Are you okay? Is something wrong with you?
Hey, hold it there. Hold it there. I wasn't talking to you. Allow me to discuss Igwe as man to man, not you. Have you seen the reason why I said that I don't want you to be here? Because I know you will run your mouth. I know you will talk. So keep your mouth shut. Respect yourself.
Ichiokezie, you are daring me. You will not like me. Oh. You will not like me if I start with you.
Ichiokezie, it is obvious that you have connived with that witch to bring war to my family. This is a long thing that happened. Something that happened some years ago. Why are you hell-bent on bringing it back? What is your benefit?
You are here. Your wife called me a madman. You did not say anything. What we are after is whether I come here to bring war into this family. Well, I am not here to cause any war between you and anybody. But I'm here to tell you the truth. It happened years ago. I kept quiet all this while, not that I don't know what to do. But I was waiting to see if you can change. If you can reason like a normal human being. But I can see that as you grow old, so your wisdom and whatever grows old. You no longer reason well. That your stupid place, that is stupid Nemeka, that woman, because that's what he is. He's a woman. And you have, see, let me tell you, Igwe, Obidegu, you know we are friends. I cannot be afraid of you. We grew together as friends. I know when you were putting this cap on your head. I know when you were carrying this igwe. So I cannot be afraid of you. Because is it because I'm bowing down and calling you igwe? It's just a respect. Go and bring in Norma back to this palace. She belongs here. This is her husband's house. She is the queen of this kingdom. Not this person that here.
You lie, Chokeze. You lie. Norma will not come into this palace again.
Chokeze, I will send the same guard to send you out of this place. Guards!
It's okay. No need for that. Let me tell you, Your Majesty. Talk to your son. Talk to your wife. Go and bring Norma back to this palace. She belongs to here. She's your first wife. She's the
never happen.
I am not talking to you. Respect
it will
yourself.
never happen. Ichokeze, you have overstayed your welcome.
That's what I see. If he were the priest to bring her back to, I will go and bring her back to this palace myself, and nothing will happen. This has you know where better. You came to the Igwe through the backyard. You think I don't know? When Igwe was about to marry you, I kicked against it because I know it will lead to this.
That's because you're a bad man. My king, are you sure this man is not sleeping with Norma?
I'm a bad man because I'm telling you.
You are a bad man, Ichokeze.
You came to the palace through the backyard, and Norma brought you into this palace, and you came here and you connived with your so-called this thing.
Now I know the truth. Now I know the truth.
What?
Now I know the truth. My king, this is Norma's concubine.
So?
Onedina Norma.
Okay, I'll make Norma.
If
I'm sleeping with Norma, I'm also sleeping with you.
You cannot sleep with me. Ipeka.
Cut away you.
Cut away you. Look at him. Old man fool. Your Majesty, you allow me to handle this man. Eh?
I heard voices.
Is it not that stupid Ichokeze? What happened? He's outside. He just left. Your Majesty, why are you allowing him to talk to you like that? Why? Eh? See, it's not as if I don't know what I can do to him. Oh. I can take care of him if you want me to. Why allow him run all over you? Does he have a hold on you?
Come here.
Huh? What did I hear you say?
Ichokeze, I command you to come here.
You command me to come there. Wait, who are you to command me, Ichokeze, to come and meet you there? Eh? My friend, if you want to talk to me, you come here and say whatever you want to say if it is important.
Okay, I'll come to you then.
Yes, what is it?
Old man, I see you consider yourself too big to obey my orders. How dare you?
Obey your orders. You know you are a fool. You are an idiot. Obey your orders as what? As I'm chief of army staff or president of this country. Huh? Okay? My friend, say whatever you want to say. Let me get out of this place.
I was having my bath when I heard you scream my name without respect and loyalty. How dare you?
Do you know you are a fool? You are an idiot. So this is why you stopped me. Because of this nonsense you just said here now. I thought you have something important to say. Now, let me warn you. You see that woman Norma? Keep away from her. Ochaka Omaka, keep away from that woman Norma. Because next time you lay your hands on her, talk more of asking this useless idiot your father scattered all over this place to push out of this compound. What I will do to you, you will not like it.
Are you
Look
done?
at you. I am not done. Listen to me. You are a fool. Just listen to me. Remove this thing from my face. Are you stupid? Are you insane? Now listen to me. That woman, I've warned you about her. Don't ever try that nonsense again. Look at you. You are talking as a man or what? Look at your twin sister, Princess Dubem. She is more reasonable and wise than you. Oh God, how I wish. He's a man. This community would have been happier to have him. Huh? Oh, instead of this fool, this idiot standing beside me.
Old man, listen and listen good. I won't tolerate this from you next time. Now stay the hell away from my family. Don't say I didn't warn you. And wait until I become king. I'll banish you.
Okay, Zia. You have suffered. Look at you. So, in your mind now, a man is talking. Okay? A man is talking. You have to go to stand before me and be talking this nonsense. As a man, I am talking and you are talking. I'm a man. What can man do? You are not a man. So don't talk to me next time as a man. Because you are not. Idiot. Nonsense.
Come here, both of you. Come here. Come here. Come close to me. Right before your very eyes. You watched him insult me. What were you supposed to do? What were you supposed to do?
Sorry, my prince.
What were you supposed to do?
Sorry, my prince.
What were you supposed to do?
Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
What kind of a man are you? Why are you like this?
Sorry, are you talking to me? Because I don't understand what you mean.
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I am talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You and I know that there is problem in this palace. Because father sent Mommy Unoma out of this palace for no just cause. And our mother is the brain behind everything. Because I confronted Mommy Unoma and she told me everything that happened. And you are the prince, for crying out loud. You're not doing anything about it. Because you believed everything father said to you. Without even investigating the matter to find out the truth. And you call yourself a man.
Are you done? Are you done? Because I still don't understand what you're talking about. Because I'm lost.
Why won't you be lost? Because you're a fool. You're useless. If not that you're my twin brother, I won't have anything to do with you.